go to what we call aroma. You can actually get the aroma of the garlic and the shallots coming off the pan. Plenty. Beans go in because they need to heat through. They're chilled.
Yeah.
It's just layering the flavors. You get all those juices from the morels reduced down, get that mushroom punch. You know, you're gonna reduce that wine down, get that acidity, you know, which is great. And then as soon as I get that wine down, see where it's starting to look like it's thickening a little bit in the pan, and the bubbles get a little bit bigger. That's what you're kind of looking for. Bring it almost all the way down. Just about to dry.
Smelling good.
Oh yeah. Thin. Yeah, it's almost like kind of thick in there. Yeah, just a little bit of cream.
It's good.